The tire impact crusher adopts a modular design, which can flexibly disassemble the various parts of the machine and facilitate the replacement of the crushing machine and parts. What we are seeing now is a mobile impact crusher that can crush limestone, quartz stone, construction waste, etc. with an output of 100 to 200 tons per hour. According to production needs, it can be crushed by a single machine or by multiple machines for crushing and screening. What we are seeing now is a combination of an impact crusher and a screening machine. The modular design of the all-steel structure can quickly produce different modules, which is easy to transport and arrive at the production site without civil engineering. The various components are spliced together like Lego plate by children, and production can be started by connecting an external power supply. It comes with a 3 cubic meter silo, which feeds the crusher by vibration, and then screens off for different particle sizes of construction aggregates.